And he said unto her, For this saying go thy way, the devil is gone out of thy daughter. May God bless you. Amen. Tin ani chuan a hnena I thu soya wang chuan kal to le ramhuai chu I fanu ko chhungata a chuak to e atia rin na a thu kan soi lalpan a chang thin lalpan malsawm che rawh se. Amen.